This video demonstrates how to use static residential IPs. First, open the CherryProxy client and locate the static residential IP option in the left-hand menu bar. Click to switch to this option. Here, you can view your current balance, and on the right, see the packages you've purchased and select one. After making your selection, click Save. Next, choose an IP from the proxy list below. Right-click on it and forward it to an available port. Then click on the port forward list in the bottom left corner to find the extracted IP and use the copy button on the right to copy it. You can now paste the IP into your business software for use. To review all extracted static IPs, go back to the client and click on the used list at the top. From there, you can right-click to forward an IP again, or click the Recharge button on the right to renew expired IPs. The renewal will deduct from your static account balance. Simply click Confirm to complete the renewal process.